Okay, we are here with the owner of Gwen's Bar and Grill, Reggae Grill. And so, Gwen, can you tell us a little bit about your business?
Well, we started, oh boy, it's a long time now. It's actually, our cuisine is local, you know. Everything we do, we barbecue it. It's all done on the grill on the outside, the chicken, the ribs, the whole snapper, the fillet snapper. Everything is grilled.
Okay, awesome. What do you recommend? What's your most popular?
Well, it all depends on your taste buds, but mostly we do a lot of the whole snapper, the fish sandwiches, the ribs, the chicken and rib combo.
The red snapper was delicious.
You enjoyed it? Thank
Very
you, thank
good,
you.
Yeah. And so, how long have you had?
In this location, it's about 6.5 years, 7, but we used to be around the point, and because of the erosion, we took the building up, bring it here. So we're altogether, it's 32 years we've been doing this.
Oh wow, that's a long time. So
And you moved the building.
Yes, we took the building up, erosion, we was in the water.
Right.
We had to move.
Well, that's awesome. That's awesome. Well, thank you. It was very good. We enjoyed it.
You're welcome dear, thank you.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
if your guys are here in Anguilla, please come and see Gwen at Gwen's Reggae Grill.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.